Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about 5 best exercise what women can do for posture correction. You know, posture is a very big problem these days because women are working in offices with their computers and laptops. Some women are housewives, they are doing same activities repeatedly in the kitchen and they have neck pain, back pain and joint pain. Some come with round shoulder, forward head posture, stiff neck and text neck. So these problem actually can be taken care if you take care of your posture, and these exercise will help to correct your posture. So do watch this video till the end and know what are the instruction you have to follow and how to do these exercises in your daily activities. These are very basic and very important 5 exercises which will help all women to correct their posture. Do share this video to other people who are looking to correct their posture and looking to relieve their pain. अगला एक्सरसाइज कैट कैमल है जिसमें आपको नीज और हैंड्स पे आ जाना है इस तरीके से एंड स्लोली आप अपने सिर को ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे और आर्च बनाएंगे आपके लोअर बैक का. So this is cat pose. You have to hold this pose for a few seconds and keep on breathing. एंड जेंटली जो आपने लोअर बैक का आर्च बनाया है उसको आपको हम बनाना है एंड बेंड डाउनवर्ड, लुक डाउन एंड मेक एन आर्च अपवर्ड लाइक हम. एंड दिस इज कैमल पोज. होल्ड दिस पोज फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स, कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग इन एंड आउट जेंटली, डोंट होल्ड योर ब्रेथ. नाउ डू द अपोजिट. ऊपर देखेंगे और आपके कमर को नीचे की तरफ आर्च कर देंगे. दिस इज कैट पोज. होल्ड फॉर 3 to 4 seconds एंड जेंटली कम टू कैमल पोज. कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग. होल्ड दिस पोज फॉर few seconds एंड कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग. So this exercise normally has to be repeated for 10 to 15 times, but also depends on the instruction of your therapist. So we'll do one more time. This is camel pose and gently relax. Now next exercise is wall angle. In this exercise you have to stand keeping your feet together. Against the wall you have to stand. Now इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको सीधे खड़े रहना है दीवार से टिक के. दोनों हाथ को 90 डिग्री उठा लीजिए एंड आपके हाथ सटे रहेंगे दीवार से. नाउ यू हैव टू बेंड योर एल्बो. एल्बो को भी 90 डिग्री मोड़ लेंगे लाइक दिस एंड देन जेंटली यू हैव टू रेज योर हैंड्स अगेंस्ट द वॉल. धीरे धीरे आपको हाथ को उठाना है और दीवार से सटा के रखना है अपने हाथ को और धीरे से फिर नीचे लाना है 90 डिग्री में लाइक दिस. नाउ अगेन यू डू अप एंड डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन. सो याद रहे आप करते समय आपका जो कांटेक्ट है वॉल से वो मेंटेन रहना चाहिए, सेम कांटेक्ट, एंड डू इट जेंटली. आपको थोड़ा आपके शोल्डर रीजन पे थोड़ा स्ट्रेन आएगा, दैट इज़ फाइन. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू टेकिंग योर अटेंशन टू योर शोल्डर एरिया एंड अपर बैक एरिया. जनरली वी हैव टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज फॉर 10 to 15 repetitions. Also depends on the instructions of your therapist. And relax, keeping your hands down, you may relax. Now next exercise is thoracic extension. In this exercise we have to sit on chair like this with back rest, keeping your feet on the floor. Now interlock your fingers and take it behind your neck like this, and then elbows को पास पास लेके आ जाएंगे. Now take your elbows toward the ceiling. धीरे धीरे आपके एल्बो को सीलिंग के साइड मूव करना है and then bend backward. Make sure that you are taking it to maximum possible and gently come back to the neutral position. Now we'll repeat. Take your elbow toward the ceiling, bending your upper back backward, taking support of backrest. जितना ज़्यादा आप हो सके करेंगे. Make the contact of your feet on the floor. Now while bending backward, take your attention to your upper back and thoracic area. Feel the stretch. Keep on breathing. Hold this posture for 3 to 4 seconds and gently come back. You may repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 times and relax. Now next exercise is wall chest stretch. In this you have to stand facing the angle of the wall where two wall get connected at that angle. So आप इस तरीके से खड़े हो जाएंगे wall के against facing the wall, जहाँ पे आपका जो shoulder है 90 डिग्री उठेगा and elbow भी 90 डिग्री रहेगा. So you have to go near the wall like this and then bend or lean forward, taking support of the wall. You have to lean forward. Hold this position for 3 to 4 seconds and gently come back. Remember to maintain elbow 90 degree while doing this exercise. So you have to lean forward, get the stretch in your front chest. Hold this posture for 3 to 4 seconds. Keep on breathing in and out and gently come back. Now next exercise is chin tuck. In this exercise you have to sit on the chair, keeping your feet on the floor, sitting upright, straight with backrest. Now you have to take your chin backward, making double chin. आपके chin को पीछे की तरफ लेके जाना है. आपका डबल चिन बनना चाहिए like this. Hold it for 3 to 4 seconds and relax. Again you have to repeat. Take your head backward, maintaining the alignment. Look forward at a point. Make double chin and relax. Take your attention to your neck area, back of your neck. Keep on breathing in and out and gently you may relax.